Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses program. In this video, we are going to learn ISRO is providing the Apprentice Recruitment 2026, total number of vacancies 410, and this is from the URSC Bengaluru, and you can apply via NATS and UMANG. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So ISRO Apprentice Recruitment 2026 has been announced by the Rao Satellite Centre URSC Bengaluru under the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. This is a recruitment drive offer 410 apprentice vacancies for the eligible graduate apprentice, diploma technician apprentice, and commercial practice apprentice under the Apprentice Act. This is the one of the biggest apprenticeship opportunities for the fresher graduates and diploma holder who wants to begin with their career with the India's premier space organization. Candidates will be selected primarily based on their academic performance as specified in the official notification. This online application process is active through the official portal. The recruitment highlights is their organization. This is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, URSC Bengaluru. Total number of vacancies is 410. Apprenticeship category is graduate, diploma technician, and commercial practice. So training location will be the Bengaluru, Karnataka. Official apprentice window will start from the 29th of July 2026 to 28th of August 2026. Application mode is online through NATS and UMANG portal. Selection process, merit and academic performance as per the notification. So this is the notification PDF. This is the NATS registration and UMANG portal. So don't miss this excellent opportunity to start your career with ISRO through its prestigious apprenticeship program. Apply before the last date and carefully read the official notification for the eligibility, disciplines, stipend, documents required, important dates, and complete application instructions. So let me open all the links. So when we'll open all the links, you will find on PDF here. And here you can see Government of India, Department of Space. So isro.gov.in means that this is the government website and the date is 29/7/2026. So online application for the engaging apprentice for graduate technician and commercial practice at URSC for the year 2026 to 2027. So you are Rao Satellite Centre URSC. This is situated in Bengaluru of Karnataka state on the heading center of ISRO Satellite Technology. So graduate apprenticeship. So this is a B in BTech. So serial number, there is a computer science engineering. Total number of positions is 40 and the monthly stipend is 12,300. BTech in concerned discipline from any recognized university. So there is a ECE, mechanical engineering, commercial engineering, industrial engineering and management, automobile engineering, aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering. So total number of position is 220. SC is 31, ST is 14, OBC is 59, EW is 22, and on unreserved is 94. So next is the technician apprentice diploma. So total number of positions are defined here. Monthly stipend is also there is a 10,900 is there. So all the positions are defined as per the branches they are allowing. So total number of 120 and how they are dividing the seats. So you can go with the roster. So apprentice for the commercial practice there is a position is 17 10,900 and diploma in the commercial practice of any recognized board. So how to apply? So you can go with the NETS portal. So this is the portal, National Apprentice Portal. Here you can go with the student and for currently pursuing diploma and graduate, or for diploma and graduate pass out student. So as per your requirement, you can go with that student registration and fill up the form and go with the next process. And next is the this one is webwoman.gov.in. So here you can go with the login and registration and just insert your mobile number and pin and go with this. Otherwise, go with the registration. So your mobile number is state and agree and register. So step by step process inside is this. So you will get a OTP for the verification. So register and log into the UMANG portal, search for the URSC apprenticeship and apply for the position, fill all the details and submit the application. So let me give my mobile number. So I got the number OTP 452792. Click on the verify OTP and enter your 6-digit MPIN.
Press Enter to open Accessibility option, or press Tab again to continue.
So click on next. So MPIN is set. So now you can search. So here, so URSC Apprenticeship Indian Space Research Organization. Take your application, apply for the job posting, and download the application, return registration number. So apply for the job. And here also you can go with this and create APAR ID. They require the APAR ID. Do you have the data role? So let me open this. So after that, they are allowing candidates who have been passed during the year 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2026 are all are only eligible for the apprenticeship. This apprenticeship. And next is the common instruction. So candidate is required to use the valid and active email address to register and use the future communication as well as so which will be used, and application can be submitted only once at the particular email address. Avoid the duplicate application on multiple email address. And photograph size, they are given 50 KB and signature is 50 KB. PWB condition have to upload the certificate that is eligibility issued by the competent authority. So it will open, it will this is taking time. So selection procedure is there. The candidate will be shortlisted based on the percentage of the candidate in the respective discipline. The shortlisted candidate will be called for the document verification. On the successful completion of the document verification, the panel will be drawn based on the academic score in the degree and diploma, engineering, and other posted. So this induction of the apprentice against the vacant position will be made strictly based on their position in the panel. Selected candidates will be informed only by mail. Candidates shortlisted for document verification are not eligible for the traveling allowance. So they will not allow for the TA. There is a term and condition is that you should be an Indian national, need to apply. And the period of the training will be the 12 months. And medical certificate starting with the fitness is required while joining. And these are the simple term and condition. So main thing is this important date. So remember, opening date of the online registration is 29/7/2026, 12 hours, and closing date of the online registration is 28/08/2026, 11:59. So we have gone through the step-by-step process. So how to complete and how to just do this registration for this one. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.